Hi, everybody. This is Rick here. Welcome to Digital Fortress. I'm going to go over the Twitter pop quiz questions that I put out over the weekend just to get some answers on that. And I'm going to check if anybody has questions in chat, you can let me know there. I will check chat. I just went live while there was a Tesla live stream. I saw that on my YouTube feed and I thought, oh, great. No, not good timing. Can't compete well with them. Had to move over a little bit out here in the beautiful Hacienda Hotel in San Diego. And there's a water fountain back there. I had to move away from it because it sounds like a cow pissing on flat rock. I was like, nah, I can't have that on a video. Don't need any sound interference over there. I am going to share my screen and go over the questions real quick. I'm going to try to keep this brief. So here are the Twitter questions showing on the left-hand side here. I had to condense the window a little bit to get a proper view. So question number one here is, test your Cardano ITN knowledge. The current testnet nodes are using which programming language? The correct answer is Rust. That answer is correct. So here we are, early March. The Jormungandr is built with Rust. The Haskell node will probably be later, near the end of March. 66% said Rust, got it correct. So good job, Twitter. Well done. You got the answer correct. And Haskell was 30%, not Haskell yet. And there was a two throwaway answers in there, C++ and Gaelic. And Gaelic is not a programming language. That is the island of the Celtics. So next, number two is which app currently supports multiple wallets on the testnet? The correct answer is Daedalus and Yoroi Mobile, the most correct answer. Twitter missed that one. Usually Twitter got, last time I did these types of quizzes, Twitter got 29 out of 30 correct. But this one, the most correct answer is Daedalus and Yoroi Mobile. Yoroi Mobile does support multiple wallets and multiple delegations. Daedalus is also a correct answer. Most correct answer is Daedalus and Yoroi Mobile. Question number three, test your Cardano ITN knowledge. How much TATA, testnet ADA, is currently in the treasury? The correct answer is 60 to 70 million. The correct answer is not 20 to 30 million, which most people picked. The treasury currently has 60 to 70 million ADA in it. The total is 218 million ADA. So there's a lot of ADA generated on a testnet up to this point after 76 days. 220 million is what it's approaching. 220 million, and there's over 60 million in the treasury. So that is the most correct answer. Sorry, Twitter, that was 2 out of the first 3 questions were not correct. But some people did get it right. So good job to those of you that did. Number 4 is true or false. Ledger and Trezor currently have testnet support. The correct answer is false. There is no hardware wallet support currently in early March on the testnet. There may be Ledger and Trezor support by the end of testnet. Okay, number 5 of 10. To participate in the snapshot, the date of holding ADA in Daedalus or Yoroi was November 29th, 2019, and that is the correct answer. Well done, Twitter. Good job. Good job, everyone who got that one right. Number 6, ADA earned on the testnet currently shows up in which wallet? Balance Rewards mainnet or Wife's wallet? It's the Rewards wallet is the correct answer. This one has 2 correct answers, either the Rewards wallet or the Wife's wallet. Most people got the Rewards wallet, which is correct. That is the correct answer. Let me see. We got any questions in chat? I got to check over here. Wayne Morgan, how you doing, buddy? Welcome. Jesse James Hedrick, how you doing? He said, hey, when are you going to stake ADA? Is it possible to have rewards automatically put into an unstaked wallet so that you can easily use it as income? I don't quite entirely understand the question. Is it possible to have rewards automatically put into an unstaked wallet so you can easily use it as income? Maybe after smart contracts and multi-sig, but currently, if you put all your ADA on the testnet in one wallet and stake that ADA, when the rewards come back into that wallet, they are automatically restaked on the testnet. So you're getting compounded stake returns. Your returns are compounded, okay? All right, Jesse James, I'll look for you to rephrase that. Thank you for that. Okay, what we were on, 7 of 10? Did I do 7 of 10? Oh, as of today, yeah, 7 of 10. As of today, there are how many pools registered on ITN? The correct answer is 1,000 plus. There's a little over almost 1,100 pools registered onto ITN. That does not mean a node is active. That means that the pool operator or node operator submitted the registration and activated the node. They submitted the certificate on the blockchain that engraved that node ID into the blockchain. Okay, that does not mean it is an active node. So, like I did some for tests. I have a test node that I do not have available for you to stake to. I made it unavailable, or it'd be very difficult to use it because I do experiments on it. So I don't want people putting their stake on it. All right. So let me get through the Twitter survey here. Then I'll go on to questions. Thank you for asking questions there in the chat. Number 8 of 10. Oh, as of today, I already got that one. How many pools? Number 9 of 10 is the current K parameter for optimal number of pools on the network is set to 100. The correct answer is 100. Most people responded 1,000. That is not correct. The K parameter is set to 100, which means the network will balance to an optimal number of 100 pools. The number of pools that are currently producing blocks is about 280. The number of active nodes appear to be about 700 to 800. It's kind of hard to tell precisely how many. Okay, and number 10 is what is the current saturation point? And Twitter got this one correct. Well done, everyone. This is 100 to 120 million ADA. Right now it's at about 111.8 million, about 111 million. So I put a range of answers there because there's a little bit of variation to it. So 100 to 120 million ADA is the correct answer. And I think I missed one. Where was my over 9,000? I had an over 9,000 one on here. Oh yeah, number 3, where I said 20. There were 2 correct answers to number 3. Okay, how much ADA is currently in the treasury? It's 60 to 70 million, but over 9,000 is also a correct answer. So if we combine those 2 percentages together, Twitter did get that one correct. Okay, both answers are valid. It was a Dragon Ball Z reference or something like that I used. Okay, so any other questions we have here? Jesse James Hedrick, he said, so do you have to unstake all of the delegated ADA in order to pull out just the ADA that was rewarded? You seem to understand my last question well. You do not have to pull out the unstaked ADA. You do not have to pull it out. The way this will work is when Shelly goes to the mainnet, you will re-enter the 15-word rewards passphrase. Make sure you hold on to those. You're going to re-enter those into the new Shelly mainnet once that goes online, and then your rewards will be generated on the mainnet. That's when they will appear and be available for you to move around on the mainnet. I hope I answered that question. I might have missed it. Sorry. Wayne Morgan, how you doing? He asked, will there be another snapshot? No, I don't think so. I don't think there'll be another snapshot. There's a lot involved with doing the snapshot, and they're very busy with getting Haskell nodes up online. I can't answer that question definitively or authoritatively. However, I do not think there will be another snapshot. Let me see, snapshot for Haskell. Wayne, is there a snapshot for Haskell? I don't think so. I think we're going to stick with the same snapshot that we presently have. There may be another snapshot if they wanted to test getting a higher amount of stake on the test net, but I don't think it's necessary. So I don't think that's going to happen. Okay. All right. So here's the Twitter pop quiz answers. I hope you all enjoyed that. Any other questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'm going to punch out. Thanks for watching Digital Fortress. My pool ticker is Digi and Digi2. Most of you are aware of that. And when I go onto mainnet, I'll bring those percentages down. Currently, I can't bring the percents down without creating a new pool, which would be counterproductive at this point in time. So I'm going to adjust them down. I had a Twitter survey that says optimal is 3 to 4%. So I'll weigh that out and say what's going to be optimal and competitive and fair to the people who are staking to make sure I get that number right and make sure the pool is sustainable for the long term. Okay. All right. Thanks, everyone. Wayne says you do awesome with Digi and Digi2. Thank you, Wayne. I appreciate it. A lot of hard work into that. May have mentioned it yesterday, but I've got 2 technicians working on that. Now I'm on travel. My sons, Kyle and Christian, they're doing a great job with that. So thank you, Kyle. Thank you, Christian. I appreciate your work. Let's see. Jesse James Hedrick says, all right, so let's say you've staked 50,000 ADA, and at the end of 30 days, can you pull the rewards from the 30 days out and keep the 50,000 staking without interruption? I don't think so. You can't move rewards ADA from the wallet that it was generated on. I can't answer this question correctly because I haven't tried it myself. I think I know what you mean. Let's say you have 50,000 ADA originally that you on the test net, and then it accrued another 1,000. Well, if you try to move any, what will move is if I move 1,000 ADA, it won't be the rewards ADA that moves. It'll be the original ADA. So that 50,000 would go down to 49,000, and the 1,000 rewards ADA will stay there. It's a very complicated question. It's very complicated. This might be a better question for maybe one of Charles Hoskinson's AMAs, or you can ask the IOHK Zendesk on the iohk.zendesk.com website. Maybe they give you more definitive answer. I think I'm pretty close to the right answer there. I think I'm pretty close to the right answer. Right. Okay, that's it for the questions. I'm going to punch out. It's a beautiful sunny day here in San Diego. I'm going to go enjoy the weather. Thanks everyone for attending. Take care, y'all. Have a great day. Bye-bye.